What if one tattoo could represent power, courage, mystery, freedom, and a fearless attitude, all at once? That's exactly why Black Panther tattoos continue to be a favorite among tattoo lovers. Hello, art lovers. Welcome back to Tattoo 18. Today, we're checking out 99 Black Panther tattoo ideas that can inspire your next tattoo design. The Black Panther is not just a beautiful wild animal. It represents strength, independence, confidence, protection, courage, and the ability to survive against all odds. For many people, getting a panther tattoo is a way of saying, I'm strong, I'm fearless, and I don't back down easily. So, where do people usually get Black Panther tattoos? One of the most popular locations is the arm. A realistic panther crawling along the forearm can look incredibly powerful, especially when the design follows the natural shape of the muscles. The upper arm and shoulder are also perfect locations. A roaring panther with sharp eyes can create a dramatic three-dimensional effect, almost like the animal is coming out of the skin. For a larger and more detailed design, many tattoo lovers choose the chest. A black panther across the chest can symbolize strength and protection, while adding jungle elements, leaves, claws, or moonlight can make the artwork even more dramatic. The back gives tattoo artists a huge canvas. Here, you can create an entire scene: a panther in the jungle, a roaring face, glowing eyes, or a full-body panther surrounded by shadows. The thigh and calf are also excellent choices for large, realistic tattoos. The long surface allows the panther to be designed in a running, climbing, or attacking position. And if you prefer something smaller, a wrist, hand, neck, or ankle can work beautifully with a simplified panther face, paw, eyes, or silhouette. But why do people love Black Panther tattoos so much? First is power. The panther is a strong predator, so the tattoo can represent personal strength. Second is fearlessness. Panthers move silently and confidently. That makes them a perfect symbol for someone who prefers to stay calm but powerful. Third is mystery. Because of its dark appearance and secretive nature, the Black Panther can represent the mysterious side of a person's personality. It can also symbolize independence. A panther doesn't need to prove its strength to anyone. It simply knows what it is capable of. For some people, the tattoo represents protection, a powerful guardian watching over themselves or their loved ones. And for others, it simply means love for wildlife, nature, strength, and realistic tattoo art. When designing a Black Panther tattoo, there's so many creative possibilities. Realistic faces, roaring panthers, walking panthers, jungle scenes, glowing eyes, claws, paw prints, geometric panthers, tribal designs, blackwork, neo-realism, minimalist silhouettes, and even combinations with roses, skulls, moons, mountains, or other animals. And remember, don't simply copy a design because it looks good on someone else. Think about the meaning, placement, size, and style that represent you. So, among these 99 Black Panther tattoo ideas, which one would you choose? A small and mysterious panther? A powerful roaring face? A full jungle scene? Or a massive, realistic Black Panther covering your arm, chest, back, or thigh? Let me know your favorite. If you enjoyed these 99 Black Panther tattoo ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tattoo 18 for more unique tattoo ideas, tattoo inspiration, and professional tattoo training. We also provide tattoo training online and offline, along with doorstep tattoo services for your desired tattoo designs. For inquiries and bookings, contact us at 0974 053 3143 or 0906 688 5007. This is Tattoo 18, where every tattoo tells a story, and every design starts with an idea. See you in the next tattoo video.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate me, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs a antiseptic.